Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 Preview Update KB5074105 not installing issue.
Fix 1. Restart Windows Update Services. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type Services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Restart Windows Update. Step 3. Restart Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Bits. Step 4. Restart Cryptographic Services. Fix 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 3. Click Run next to Windows Update. Fix 3. Clear Windows Update Cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type Services. MSC. Step 2. Stop Windows Update Service. Step 3. Open C:\Windows\Software Distribution. Step 4. Delete all files inside the folder. Step 5. Start Windows Update Service again. Fix 4. Check disk space. Step 1. Open this PC. Step 2. Make sure C drive has at least 20 gigabytes free. Step 3. Delete temporary files if needed.